Yeah, good evening, guys. So today we are going to start the topic. It is the favorite topic for me, right? So the topic name is S3 bucket. So what do you mean by S3 bucket? What is this bucket is going to start? So basically, you know that coming to the real term of bucket, we can say we are having bucket where we can stores the water. Yeah, we can store the water in the bucket. We can store the cement. I can say we can store n number of data in this bucket. So when the bucket is the term where we can store the data, so can I say the bucket is my storage? Yeah, bucket is my storage where I can store n number of data. Got it? So bucket is going to use in AWS to store the number of data which is related to the EC2 instance. है ना? अभी मैं इंस्टेंस में कोई भी वेब एप्लीकेशन में रन कर रहा हूँ उसके रिलेटेड वॉट एवर द डेटास वी आर हैविंग वी आर गोइंग टू स्टोर द डेटा इन माई S3 bucket data storage, right? So AWS is a platform which is giving you online sources. ठीक है, वो ये बोल रहे हैं कि भाई तू मेरा ऑनलाइन सर्विसेज तू मेरा यूज कर ले, EC2 इंस्टेंस में तू अपना एप्लीकेशन डिप्लॉय कर दे, और इफ यू नीड टू स्टोर एनी डेटा, so you can store in the bucket which is S3 bucket. I am giving you online sources, right? uh, there is also will be the payment. If you store some data, it will going to be ask you to pay some money. When or why, that I will tell you. Okay. So guys, coming to the free or paid, it is going to depends on your data. Okay. So that is going to depends on your data. So what type of data? If you are storing some photo, है ना, 5 to 10 photo, so this photos is going to depends the size, maybe a 2 GB or 4 GB, है ना? So there will be a one limited storage is there. If you are crossing that limited point now, you need to pay for storing more data. Got it? So हर एक चीज का एक लिमिटेशन रहता है कि तुम उस लिमिटेशन को अगर तुमने ओवर कर दिया, so you need to pay money. That is same thing it will going to repeat here also, right? So let's understand this topic with a more clear way with a proper real time example. Okay. So just a minute. As a real time scenario, if I will tell you that there are so many folder in my system. I am having so many folders, different names of the folders I am having, right? And every folders are storing some different type of files, maybe text file, maybe some .py file, some coding file, some images, some videos, right? So what do you understand? So folder is what folder is a storage, right? So the S3 is saying that you can store n number of data, different types of data also I will going to be store. That is not a big deal for me. So same thing, right? है ना? So अभी एक फाइल में क्या रहता है गाइस, हम लोग फोल्डर के अंदर फाइल बनाते हैं, फाइल में अपन क्या कर लेते हैं, कोई फोटो हो गया, रिज्यूम डाल दिया समझो मैंने, कोई प्रोजेक्ट का मैंने स्टोर कर दिया, राइट? सो डिफरेंट डिफरेंट थिंग्स आर आल्सो वी आर स्टोरिंग इन द ग्रुपिंग, राइट? या सो वेरी सिंपल, एसरी बकेट इज वेरी वेरी सिंपल. वो आपको फ्री सर्विसेज दे रहा है कि भाई तू यूज कर ले यार, है ना? एंड एज कंपेयर इट विद द रियल टाइम स्टोरेज लाइक सिस्टम का जो फोल्डर रहता है उससे अगर अपन कंपेयर करेंगे ना, तो AWS का जो भी एसरी जो अपन को मिल रहा है सर्विसेज, एसरी सर्विसेज, दिस इज सेफ. Whatever we are storing the data, this data is safe in AWS account. But coming to our system, if system storage like folder is there, right? If suppose by mistake my system were crashed, this folder is also going to be crashed. System is crashed. If I store the data on my S3 services, it is safe. मैं एक और एक सिस्टम में जाके अपने लॉगिन करके मैं अपने उस S3 सर्विसेज पे जाके मैं अपने डेटा को डाउनलोड कर सकता हूँ. गॉट इट? Yeah. So this is giving you the cloud storage. Whatever the storage we are having, that is going to be stored in the cloud storage. Okay. So that's it. Last thing I will gonna tell you about the architecture of this. मैंने समझो एक ईजी टू इंस्टेंस में मैंने अपना वो बना लिया। क्या बना लिया? एक कॉलेज के नाम का मैंने एक वेब एप्लीकेशन बनाया। ठीक है। I created one college web application using EC2 instance. Now my role of bucket is here. Whatever the data regarding this, like photos, notes, videos, this all I will going to be stored in my S3 bucket. ठीक है। ये bucket में अपन स्टोर कर लेंगे guys। इस एप्लीकेशन को बनाने के लिए जो भी डेटा हो रहा है वो मैं बकेट में यूज कर रहा हूँ, और जो भी एप्लीकेशन है वो मेरे इस डेस्क पे रन हो रहा है। So this is the relation between the EC2 instance with the S3 bucket. Got it? So I hope you understand in the clear way, right? If you have any doubt, so please ping me in the comment. So I will connect you back. Okay. So thank you guys. That's it for the day.